funny. This bad boy a little heavy.
It's a little heavy?
Yeah. You're gonna have to be quick with these wires.
So this chandelier is 52 inches and it's kind of heavy. Dante is nursing his elbow. He has an elbow injury from working out. So I had to kind of, you know, do more lifting than usual. But I don't want y'all to get it twisted. We got this thing up there, but it says that it's supposed to take 40 to 60 minutes. It took us probably twice that. We ended up taking a lunch break, going to Walmart, got some new light bulbs for it, got some electrical tape. I had to take a break because I was getting frustrated, and Dante was like, look, let's just take a break and come back at it, which I'm glad we did, because once I took a break and came back at it, I was able to go ahead and finish it out. Like I said, because he couldn't do a whole lot with his elbow, but we managed to get it up. It looks amazing. I'm very happy with the outcome. So, I mean, you'll see in just a bit. All right, before we put on the last piece, we want to make sure that it works. So, moment of truth.
It's just not wired to this way.
I did it.
Good God. Don't stick your hand up there.
Wow. Kind of shakes a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Is just because it's
on that little pivot thing.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna finish it and put the other piece on. Now that we know that it works. First try. High five. So it does come with the remote, so you can activate either the lights or the fan, and it has 3 different speeds, and you also have a timer of how long you want it to be on. So once again, that's what it looks like.